friendly at all, you idiot.
Yeah, he's not.
Where's your shell? Where's your side? You got a bow? A staff?
Hold this first, just a second. Shit, I fucking don't have a lighter.
Oh man.
It's alright.
It's about to light it up. Light it up. This is how we used to light things up.
Oh!
Oh yeah.
Shit's already lit.
It's lit. L-I-T. T.
Take mine.
Yeah. Butt to butt.
Come on, we gotta.
Back up!
We got a match.
Your butt and my
Good men are
face.
standing behind my partner.
Good question.
I'm doing this for the greater good.
That's how we did it in jail, pal.
The green are good.
You
What'd
ready?
you say over there?
Lock up with me, kid.
You ready?
Do it.
Ring the bell.
And this one's underway. We are locked.
There we go.
We are loaded.
Whoa! Whoa, whoa, cuzzy, I didn't tell you to grab my head.
Yeah, tell him, Nugs.
Whoa. Hit the ropes, try to tackle me.
Yeah.
Hell yeah! Finally! We got it right! We finally got a shoulder tackle spot right in the theory breaker match. Finally!
There we go. Charmed. Too soon.
Alright, you want to try to take me down? Get some momentum, hit the ropes.
Here we go.
Getting momentum.
Yeah, here we go. Sheds of magic. Yeah, you heard it. You saw it. What is this little guy?
The flip one, I guess. Like that.
Watch this, Ricky.
What, Ricky?
Look!
For that big
Get him.
nug drop.
Come on, dude. Go for it.
Alright, I'll get him with this one. I'll get him with this one.
No. Oh! Went for that inverted elbow drop. Shades of
Come on, back in the ring.
other things.
Back in the ring. Come on.
Biscuit.
Takes it right in the biscuit basket. And now Miguel sunset flip, but that's a lot of men.
I'm going to take down the big guy.
Yeah, that's a big guy. Oh!
Grab that hair!
He just
Scalp that
Googled
damn!
scalp.
Look over there.
Got him up and jacks his jaw. His whole bone. Jawbone. Runs into another big back elbow.
Shades of the big man himself.
BBE.
Don't count. I'm mavening him.
Maybe
Hey.
he got fucking
21 out, fellas. Come on.
Give him some stuff, man. He jacked my jaw.
His jaw's jacked. Now comes Ricky. Oh! Jaw jacked. Trying to get him back.
They got him with a big trailer.
That was like a wall.
Turn for half a second.
One.
Oh yeah, it only takes three.
Tag.
The difference between 2 and 3 is the difference between victory and
When you're in a beautiful one and you do something extra.
Get out of there, Ricky. Come on.
throwing to me. He said,
Oh, this is going to be good.
an elbow drop. Ricky graciously stepping out of the ring.
He's a smart competitor. Nothing else was his time.
Yeah, and his time is not this second. John Popper right off the bat.
Who's the man?
Who's the man, Joe Diesel?
Yeah, tell him.
Direct
I
question.
haven't seen you in months. Cheer me, JTZ.
Yeah. And now, big old chop. Is that chop number 1? Is that the first chop?
You're gonna like this, JDZ.
Oh,
20 loved it last month.
I loved it last month. Here comes a big
Oh! Mr. Master Fuji!
Mr. Master.
All right, Ricky, I'm done playing with him.
Oh, he doesn't want to play
Come on,
anymore.
Rudy.
Shades of Brittany Wonder not wanting to play anymore. And Ricky now Got Miguel.
Oh!
Big.
Oh, watch the damn it.
And now
Oh,
he's
get his
got-
belt, Ricky. That's all of his power.
Oh, that's not how you build
Oh, yeah. You got scared,
Shades of thick hotel.
Ricky is going to
Oh,
grab
he's gonna hog tie him. Scott, he's gonna hog tie
it. You
him.
might just
But Grundle won't allow that because it's not. It
Really?
makes sense.
Hi, Joey G.
Yeah, sometimes.
Ow, Daddy.
He was smart enough to wear a sweatband around his forearm
yeah, I guess.
for when his brow perspires,
Over here.
which is inspirational.
You should have a striped headband.
Runs right in. Bam! Big old sword. Pop off the bottom of the second. Big old warrior style tackle.
Again, needs to make that tag in the first round.
Oh, yes.
Ricky's feeling that shoulder tackle to get to the ground.
And his shoulder got tackled.
Yeah, Miguel put everything he had into it.
Each tag, in comes the bell.
Stingers.
Kick.
Don't you? Ah!
Shin. What does he got now? Oh, with a flurry of
Don't you
punches.
dare! No! No! No!
Oh,
I told you not to do that!
big
No! Oh,
old
you better not!
Supreme.
No!
There you go. Flippers.
Gun started!
It's that no mercy bump.
I'm out! I'm out! I'm out! Sorry, I didn't tap, Ricky. You know what? That's okay. Hey.
Hey,
Whoa, that was kind of like a poem.
yeah, that's okay. Hey,
Hey,
hey.
Yeah!
Oh, big shoulder tackle. Right in the middle section. Oh, watch out.
comes number two.
Just a big old liquor right across the
Wow!
He's got a brown arm.
That's not good. That's not where you want your trachea to be.
Don't be there.
Oh, watch out. Just a big old sit rice. The old city.
Don't grab the hair.
City slicker right there across the
Big man
back.
taking his time with the ball.
Oh, right in the gear.
There's number two.
That is number two. Who does number two work for? Yeah,
The big man, I'm guessing.
that's right. And now, here it comes. Big old whip. Oh! So many whips before that shot basket.
Shake hands. We got 3 minutes left.
Oh! Just those mini kitschy sinks. Now he's up and atomic drop. Right to the tailbone. Oh, big old boot.
Yeah, I'll get him after this, my friend.
Oh, God, why? Right across the spine.
Yeah.
One, two. No, only two. Lavelle doing a good job of not only getting off of his shoulders, but all the way to his
Yeah,
feet.
smart, but not in the right corner.
Yeah, no, I mean, he used his momentum, it just took him the wrong direction.
Yeah.
Big shot right to the top of the bean.
Ricky down. Bring him to that corner. Give him a little.
Oh, big old punch. Punch of his own.
Come on.
And now could be going for that big old toss. The Haas toss right across the ring.
His feet almost didn't want to follow.
Oh man, my feet never will fall. And now, oh, watch out. Fucking belts everywhere. Oh, and a big old shot. Big middle ring.
Guy.
Yeah, tag team partner, use him.
Oh,
We're talking about.
I haven't heard from him.
big old pop.
And then they announced me next year.
Oh, knee right under the chin bone.
KN.
And now it's
KN.
Oh yeah, that's not good. That is all bad news.
Bad news.
Oh no. He can't be thinking.
Cannonball!
He's going for the cannonball. That's 318 pounds, Scotty.
That's a lot of weight on
Right across the sternum. And an axe kick. Right
usually
across
you
the
have
shoulder blades.
confidence in your partner to take out, but that was too big.
Oh yeah.
You gotta save your partner
That was
sometimes.
the biggest cannonball I've ever seen.
That's right. That was the time to save your partner.
Yeah. And in comes Ricky.
I know that without Florida, we wouldn't have gotten.
Let's do something.
Here we go. Here we do something.
One wasn't enough.
I got you.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
tight.
good.
One, two, only two.
Just right back into the pit. Oh, again.
All team again.
Just staring a hole into space. And time.
Do it again, Ricky. Do it again.
Yeah, it's photo time.
Look at that, Ricky. Hey, that looks fun.
Just hard camming it. Hard camming it all over the place.
Yeah, sometimes you gotta work hard. Yeah.
Sometimes you
All the
gotta.
time.
Oh, I know what you're doing.
Get out of there, what?
Right into the femur bone.
Yeah, you got femur for sure.
Oh yeah. Femur. I barely know her.
Femur.
Watch out! Oh, you just got
You
clumped.
see the color flavor.
I mean, I saw it. Yeah. Obviously thinking about karate stuff and stuff.
I was doing the thing Ricky was doing,
You
man.
can't
I was
win
just
them all.
doing it with some dirty flair.
Dirty flare. Yeah, we don't like that clean flare.
No.
Pieces of flare. Hits that Tyler Bateman right in the face.
Yeah.
And now it's going up.
Yeah, up. Birdie, watch your step.
Oh, there he goes. He's going up
Jump in there,
for
Brutty,
second.
come on.
Stay there, yeah.
Cut him off, Brutty, cut him off.
Just right in the buttock.
There we go.
What a shot to the belly button.
That's how you stir the soup right there.
That is how you
That guy hurt my
stir
coccyx.
the soup.
Hey. What it went out, come on.
Ricky now says no. Get back here, you little scamp.
Yeah.
And now, he's got him.
Us.
Us.
Throws him in the reaper.
Gets blocked.
Well, blocks the shot. That's a big Rick in the head. I don't know if he got all of it, but
He must have gotten at least a two. Right into us. Yeah, he did that. Logan Paul.
One.
Come on, Ricky.
Come on, someone's got to get up.
don't pay it, baby.
Two.
Ricky, when I get in the ring, I'm gonna goose the fuck out of whoever's in the ring.
Four.
Get there quick.
Five.
What are you?
Tag.
Put a penguin on his back.
That's that line.
Hey! Hey!
Clotheslining his own back accident. Takes a kick. Right to the thigh.
Hey!
Right to the face.
Gosh darn you! Ricky!
Just throw a big Sylvie right into Ricky's face.
It's a bullet for him, literally.
Yeah, silver bullet.
So it'll be like,
And then comes the bell.
Oh,
Oh, got all of that. Man, there's some super kicks. Those kicks were super.
little bit of heat.
Right to Ricky. Bam, right to Brutty.
Knocked it down.
Double
Overhead
Brutty.
ready? Yeah, give me him.
Could be looking for some kind of heart attack. Right through him.
Right through him on the head, on his melon.
On his melon.
This might be the end.
Yeah, the
That was a lot
coconut.
of excitement, Ricky. Who's the legal person? Oh, I'm legal.
Oh, man, one bird.
You're not legal.
I'm not legal, I guess.
Yeah.
Who's legal of these
Ricky
two?
is a big fan of legalism.
Who is it?
Get out.
Get out of here, LaBella.
Little Intentions? Legally Blonde? The one about her, like, leaving her husband and fucking a guy that might have been homeless? You remember that one, Sweet Home Alabama?
What's going on here? Now he's legal?
And then maybe
That's fine. That's fine.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. We're all legal.
after I pen
We all
him,
deserve to be here.
Sometimes.
now it's
Big old shot right over the knee.
and then I'll just turn around and cut me off.
And now going into that big pretty wonder.
I mean, we live
There's the
wrestling,
Nate
like,
bomb.
Nate bomb.
we just want attention.
Uh-oh.
No, I'm going to do an even bigger one.
Oh, not a bigger one. Oh no! Oh no! He's got a check. Oh, Miguel got out of there. Out of his direct line of sight.
You know, sometimes you gotta,
So I'll catch it.
Check his jaw again. Here comes the ball. It's hot.
time cut off real quick.
Yeah.
We're like, yes,
Now
there's
twisting the
everything.
arms.
I love
Turning
it.
around with that just right across the collarbone. It's under.
Yeah, you put it to your first one, cut him in the mouth.
Boom, boom.
Yeah.
No, not the left.
Laces on there.
Lace is out, Dan. Lace is
I'm
out.
gonna grab your right foot and then you just bump out with your left, right?
Oh, scoop. Scoopy slam.
I reckon it's just having fun here.
He looks like he's having fun.
Who's up there?
That's the face of a man who's having a great
Okay,
time.
good 2 minutes and now he's got that third wind and he's hyped. He's ready.
Third wind and third lung. Third kick out. A big old kicker. And Ricky now. Up the side of the fucking head.
Watch out, Ricky!
Up to the head.
Oh shit.
Oh, Papa Piranha.
He wanted to get up and was like, flash, I'm done.
Ricky!
There he goes.
Ricky! Ricky!
They are down.
I could go for a yo-yo after this match. Let's win this.
Come on, gotta get up.
Yo-yo?
2,
The milk thingy?
You
It's like Nesquik, but not.
3,
Like, it's your
4,
Yahoo.com.
10.
Yeah.
There's a tag.
Oh, here we
Here
go.
comes Brutty. In comes Miguel.
I was like,
Oh!
Big old shoulder tackle. And a back elbow.
Oh!
Jumping clothesline. Jumping back elbow. What else has he got? Kick to the stomach. Kick to the chest. Big old jumper. And a clothesline. Hits a wheel kick.
There we go.
If you wheel.
I
Oh, there's a shot.
Number 3.
And now they're holding hands. And now he's ascending. Ascending, Scotty.
like, this is
He
what
is
we want to
ascending.
do. Once
There we
it's
go.
Down from there, come on.
They get back
it's
there.
just like,
And now,
Up there it is.
spraying rope block.
2, get down from there.
all
Shades
you
of
want to do is,
Hakushi. Tornado DDT. And Ricky. But in the right part of town.
I got it, Ricky! I got him!
At the very last second.
Oh! Big Guzzo. Oh! Double elbows.
Fighting back with that hard.
very
We
impressed.
see
Short arm Guzzo.
Lovely phone call that he had.
Oh! Went for that. Gets caught. Oh, there it is. Got that soul through.
And then you
There's a blind tag. Big on neck breaker.
Oh my God. Oh.
Well, is up.
He's out there.
He's thinking
He's
something.
gonna have to go deep.
Oh! Got every part of that on his knees. One, two. Oh, there's a big old kicker.
His knees kicked out. Right?
Yeah. Ducks the clothesline, rolls through. Ducks the clothesline, goes behind.
Yeah.
But not enough. Uh-oh. Yeah. And now he's up.
Picks him up.
Pops him in front.
Yeah.
Whoa! Fireman carry and the double rotation power slam.
Yeah, that's for double man. That was the double man.
Super kick.
1 inch.
Ricky making it look like $1,000,000.
Yeah, he does look like he has no idea. There's a goozle behind him. Speaking of $1,000,000.
Ricky kicks are tough. I can put on Ricky's headgear.
Yeah, you don't want cauliflower ears.
No! No! No!
No! He's getting him with that combo. That combo.
Look at this earlier. I don't know if it's going to happen again.
It looks like it.
Right back where he's snapping in.
Yeah. He's gonna hit the rope. Oh, he goes pop. Oh, he is up. Just pop him into that German suplex.
He went to the well once many times.
Yeah, the well runs dry.
You know, Brady's not up the well.
And now, choke slam, German, shades of lasagna face and Kano.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Brought them to sleep with his legs.
Here are your winners. The Dream Breaker.
Ricky, are you okay? Ricky! Ricky! He's out there! I threatened to shove a truck right up his knee.
This jackpot is over $250 million. Playing out.
That's your man.
Yeah, get out of there. Your dreams are broken.
You wanna go to Ton on the ropes?
Breakers of dreams.
Like a yeah, Ton? I think we've done our job here. Do you wanna go upstairs and watch Die Hard? Damn right.
Oh, they're gonna go watch Die Hard. I think they have to come up here to do it though.
Go
to the party!